Jai Srimanarayana. 58th sloka of second chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Buddhi yuktaha jahatiha vubhe sukruta dushkrute तस्मात् योगाय युज्यस्व योगः कर्मसु कौशलम् ॐ. Endowed with evenness of mind, one casts off in this very life both good and evil deeds. Therefore, devote yourself to evenness of mind. That is called skillful action. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives the best option in 18th chapter, asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam saranam vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall devote myself to evenness of mind, and I shall perform my actions very skillfully. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Ambarisha, while he taking care of his kingdom and while inculcating Atmajnanam, Swadharmena Harim Prinan Sarvan Kaman Shanaihi Jahu, while having devotion towards Paramatma, he is dedicating all of his actions to Paramatma, and he is giving up all kind of mundane desires. Gruheshu, Dareshu, Suteshu, Bandhushu. He doesn't have any attachment with the house, wife, children, relatives. And whatever the Aishwaryam that he has, he doesn't care much. Like that, Ambarisha, because he has such a great concentrated devotion towards Paramatma, Paramatma felt very happy and gave Sudarshana Chakram to Ambarisha so that Sudarshana Chakram can protect Ambarisha from all enemies and from all troubles. Like that, while the days were passing, Ambarisha, one of those days, along with his wife, resolved to do 1 year Dvadasi Vratam. Vratante Kartike Masi Triratram Samuposhitaha. From one Kartika Sukla Ekadasi to next year Kartika Sukla Ekadasi, 1 year, they both performed Dvadasi Vratam. Dvadasi Vratam means on the night of Dasami, one should not be eating anything. And on Ekadasi day, nothing should be eaten. And on Dvadasi day, early in the morning, after we do Aradhana and offer Naivedyam to Paramatma, that prasadam should be taken. This is called Dvadasi Vratam. So like that, Ambarish and his wife performed this Dvadasi Vratam, and in the end of the 1 year long Vratam, Kalindyam Harim Madhuvane Archayat. They went to Yamuna Nadi and did Snanam, and then they performed Seva, Aradhana to Sriman Narayana, Sri Krishna Paramatma, who is there in Madhuvanam. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 50th sloka. Buddhi yukto jehatiha vubhe sukruta dushkrute tasmad yogaya yujyasva yoga karmasu kausalam. Buddhi yukto jahatiha vubhe sukruta dushkrute tasmad yogaya yujyasva yoga karmasu kausalam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.